Where can I find a personal injury attorney? How to connect with the absolute best lawyer for you and your personal injury claim. In some rare situations, it'd be an honest plan to handle a personal injury claim on your own, when your injury's insignificantly minor and you are comfy coping with the at-fault party's non-depository financial institution, as an example. However, if you have been seriously scraped in mishap accident, or if the opposite aspect is being contentious right out of the gate, you'll likely need to place your personal injury case within the hands of a knowledgeable professional personal lawyer. You should not simply communicate any attorney for help. Rummage around for somebody who has expertise handling your kind of case, and that'll make you complete trust. Finding knowledgeable personal lawyers. There are many ways in which to urge referrals to old plaintiffs' personal injury lawyers. Once you get referrals, make certain to browse. Get the names of many lawyers and speak or meet with each of them to debate your claim before you take them someone as an option. And be ready for rejection. Several personal lawyers don't take cases if they fall below an exact potential recovery quantity, or if the claim isn't crystal clear. Friends and acquaintances. Talk with friends or coworkers who've worked with a personal attorney in their own personal injury claims. If the friend or coworker says nothing but good things to you about their previous attorney, place the attorney on your list of individuals to consult. However, don't make a final decision on personal attorney entirely on the premise of somebody else's recommendation. Mostly different folks can have different responses to an attorney's vogue and personality. Do not frame your mind concerning hiring an attorney till you've met the lawyer, mentioned your case, and determined that you simply feel comfy operating with him or her. Other lawyers. Another place to hunt a referral to a knowledgeable personal injury attorney is through alternative lawyers you recognize. Lawyers normally refer cases to at least one another, and most lawyers can recognize somebody else handles plaintiff's personal injury cases. Just like the referrals from friends or coworkers, however, don't merely take another lawyer's referral because of their word. Referral services. Most native bar associations have referral services within which the names of the lawyers are available on the market, organized by legal specialty. There's a large variation within the quality of professional attorney referral services, however, even though they're alleged to be approved by the State Bar Association. Some professional attorney referral services rigorously screen attorneys and list solely those with specific qualifications and an exact quantity of past expertise, whereas different services can list any professional attorney in sensible standing with the State Bar, if the professional attorney maintains accountable insurance. Before you decide on a professional attorney referral service, ask for its qualifications for square measures for an professional attorney and the rigorously weigh lawyers promptly screened. What you will not get from any professional attorney referral service, however, is insight into the lawyer's philosophy, for instance, whether or not the professional attorney is willing to pay some hours to be your legal coach, or however aggressive the lawyer's temperament is. Do not make a call on the bar's referral professional person till you've gotten to meet and interviewed him or her. Choosing the simplest attorney for you. To find out whether or not an attorney is true for you, sit down with the attorney to debate your claim and find ways that of handling it. Bring copies of all of your documents, police report, medical records and bills, financial gain-loss data, and everyone correspondence with the no depository financial institution. Most attorneys don't charge something for a discussion. However, before you meet with an attorney, decide whether he or she is going to charge you for the primary interview. If the attorney desires to charge you only for discussing whether or to not take your case, go elsewhere. General expertise. After you tell the attorney typically what your case is regarding, there are few more fundamental details you want to find out from the lawyer. 1. How long has the attorney been in practice? 2. Roughly what proportion of the lawyer's method involves personal injury cases? 3. Does the attorney most frequently represent plaintiffs or defendants? You also don't wish to be represented by someone who has expertise with personal injury cases, however has primarily been an attorney for defendants. 3. Their method of thinking is also too closely tied to the attitudes of insurance corporations and that they won't fight as hard, consciously or not, for your claim. 4. Would the attorney in person handle your case or pass it on to any other, perhaps less experienced, attorney within the workplace? It's traditional for quite one professional person in an office to figure out on an equivalent case, and to possess less knowledgeable attorneys to handle routine tasks. 4. Determine that the attorney would have responsibility for the case and that the attorney you'd be addressing to directly. 4. If theirs is to be another attorney directly within the case, meet with that attorney, as well. Settlement goal. After you have mentioned the statistics of your case and the history of your settlement negotiations with the coverage business enterprise, you may be capable of get some experience from the lawyer approximately how a whole lot your personal injury case is well worth, and the way tough it may be to get the coverage organization to pay that amount. That is whilst you must permit the lawyer recognize which of the following you need for him or her to do for you. 2. Gain an amount better than what the coverage organization has supplied as soon as feasible, or 3. Acquire as a whole lot as possible, irrespective of how long it takes. If you sense confident with the lawyer's enjoy and cozy with his or her idea of the way to continue with your case, chances are exact that you've located a lawyer you could work with.